Yo, next.
You are next.
I'm never complaining about tangled up headphones ever again. Yeah. I told you there's a chair under there. Here's me coming through. I just realized something. I'm over here using my safety squints. Jesus Christ. Please sponsor me. Okay.
Yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, indeed. When it hits you, yes, indeed. Yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, you holler. Yes, 1, 2, 3.
Spaghetti, anyone? That's a big vine. Alright, really quickly, I want to cut the top of this tree off and trim it all back a little bit away from the sidewalk. Because it's blocking that light. Send it.
Think of him, music might go free. Tonight I must forget those precious hours, but no hearts and flowers play.
That'll do. That's good enough, huh? Now look at all this light over here. Well, you'll see. Now I gotta work you. Okay. More cleaning. Ugh. This is starting to become a cleaning montage, Chaz. Yeah. Alright, so in order to keep this interesting, I'm going to use my janky light. I'm going to work until it gets darker. Yeah. Let's go. Don't judge my janky light. Never mind. I found this. Okay. Let's do it. Ma, I'm a lumberjack. I need to go change gloves. That one's got a hole in it.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top of it.
Not today, Mr. Branch. Not today. Look at all them. Look at all them pine cones. All them pine cones. Time for a cleaning montage. No, I'm not gonna clean. I'm gonna clean off camera because last video was boring as heck. Hey, that looks pretty neat. How neat is that?
How neat is that?
I'll tell you what, that's pretty nice. After a little off-camera cleaning, this is where we lie. I ended up sweeping out all of these leaves down in here, and I pulled out the stump that was, you know, you can kind of see a little bit of a hole there. As far as the tree goes, yeah, baby, she looks good. Now, those tall branches, those ones up in there, I might have to get my ladder out and try to get those, but they're not an issue right now because with the way that the yard is looking, I think we're okay. So now it's time to finish the cubes.